Hello everybody, hope you all doing well. Today I am going to teach you English grammar of class 5, lesson 16, comparison of adjectives part 2. So students, I already told you in previous videos that adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Like, he is a handsome boy. She is an intelligent girl. So, handsome, intelligence are the adjectives which are used to add some meaning to the noun, that is girl or boy. Now take another example. Ravi is a tall boy. Mohan is taller than Ravi. Amit is the tallest boy of the three. So, in these sentences, the adjective tall simply indicates that Ravi is tall. We do not compare him with any other boy. This simple form of adjective is called the positive degree. An adjective in the positive degree refers to some quality in a person or thing. It is used when we make no comparison. Now, with the next sentence, the adjective taller indicates comparison between Ravi and Mohan. Such adjective is called the adjective of comparative degree, means it refers to a higher degree of quality than the positive. It is used when we make comparison between the two person or things. Now, in the third sentence, the adjective tallest indicates that the boy Amit has the quality in the highest degree. The adjective tallest is one of the superlative degree. So, it refers to the highest degree of quality. It is used when we compare more than two persons or things. So students, I already explained you the chapter. So now let's start with an exercise. Students, I hope the chapter is clear to you now. Now let's start with an exercise. In this exercise, you all have to write the comparative and the superlative degrees of the following adjectives. In this, positive adjective is given to you. You all have to write the comparative adjective and the superlative adjective. It means you have to write in comparative degree, you all have to write higher degree of quality than the positive. Okay, and in the superlative degree, you have to write the highest degree of quality, which is used when we compare more than two person or things. Okay, now for example, let's take an example. The first positive degree of adjective is bold. So students, tell me what will be the comparative and superlative degree of the following adjectives. Now, bold is given. Comparative degree means comparing the two things. Then comparative degree of bold is bolder, and the superlative degree is boldest, comparing more than two things or person. Okay. Similarly, second is active. So active is positive degree, comparative degree will be more active, and superlative degree will be most active. Similarly, little is a positive degree of adjective, comparative degree of little is less, and superlative degree is least. Many and much, the comparative degree will be more and the superlative degree will be most. And the last, old positive degree will be the word old is a positive degree comparative degree will be older and the superlative degree will be oldest. Okay class, I hope you understand this question. Now let's do the next question. So let's start with the next question. In this question, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of adjective given in the bracket. You all have to write the correct degree of adjectives. In this first sentence is, the pen is dashed and the sword, and the adjective is given is might. We are comparing the two things, pen and the sword. So what will come? Comparative degree of might. So the comparative degree of might is mightier. The pen is mightier than the sword. So mightier is the answer. Second sentence, prevention is dash than cure. It means we are comparing two things, prevention and cure. So what will come? Comparative degree of adjective of good. Prevention is better than cure. Honesty is the dash policy. Means we are comparing so many policies, or we are comparing the so many things with honesty. So superlative degree of good will come here, and the answer will be honesty is the best policy. Now the fourth one is, gold is dash than silver. We are comparing two things in comparative degree, and students, we are comparing the two things, gold and silver. So gold in the precious form of comparative degree will be comparative degree of precious will be more precious. So gold is more precious than silver. Next sentence, lead is the dash of all metals. So lead is compared to all the metals, more than two things, superlative degree will come. So lead is the heaviest of all metals. Understood? My knife is dash than yours. We are comparing two knives, my knife and yours knife. So comparative degree will come of sharp, that is, my knife is sharper than yours. We have not heard the dash news means late. We are not comparing the dash news means there are so many news about it. So superlative degree will come. So what will be the superlative degree of late is, we have not heard the latest news. Okay. Now eighth part is, Archana is dash than Anita. So we are comparing the two girls, Archana and Anita. Comparative degree will come. Archana is prettier than Anita. This is the dash emporium in the city. We are comparing so many emporiums in the city. So superlative degree of large will be largest. So this is the largest emporium in the city. Which of these two books is dash? So we are comparing two books. Comparative degree will come. So which of these two books is better? So students, I hope you understand how to fill this sentence, how to fill these blanks, and which form of adjective will come with in the following brackets. So class, in this exercise, you all have to correct the following sentences and rewrite them. So first sentence is, Shushmita is more taller than Rashmi. We are comparing the two things. So comparative degree will come, not superlative degree of adjective will be there. So correct sentence is, Shushmita is taller than Rashmi. Now in the second sentence, he is senior than his friend. I already told you that some adjectives such as prior, senior, junior, superior and inferior take to in the place of then. So what will be the correct sentence? He is senior to his friend. Now third sentence is orange is juicier fruit. So what will come? Orange is a juicy fruit. We are only telling about the one fruit. So positive degree of adjective will come. Orange is a juicy fruit. Now the fourth sentence is Mohan is cleverer to his classmate. So in this sentence, cleverer, we are referring to the Mohan to the other classmates also. So correct sentence is Mohan is cleverer than his classmates. Fifth sentence is Africa is the largest in Australia. We are comparing the two. So Africa is larger than Australia. I hope this exercise is clear to you now. Now, in this exercise, you have to write the correct degree of comparison for the adjectives. Okay. So, we have to write the correct degree. First sentence is, who is the dash of the three people? We are comparing three. So, superlative degree will come. So, what will be the answer? Who is the tallest of the three people? Who is dash, Parv or Amit? Means we are comparing two. So who is younger, Parv or Amit? Is Cinderella a dash story than Harry Potter? We are comparing two. So what will come? Comparative degree. So is Cinderella a better story than Harry Potter? Fourth, in our region, August is the dash month. We are comparing we are comparing August with the other months also. So superlative degree will come. In our region, August is the hottest month. Now fifth sentence, I think this is the dash question in the lesson. So difficult is the adjective and we are comparing one question with other questions also. So what will come? Superlative degree, most difficult. Okay. So I think this is the most difficult question in the lesson. Sixth, who is the dash, Andy or Steve? Who is that? Old is given. Old is the adjective. So we are comparing the two person. So comparative degree of old will come. What will be that? Who is older, Andy or Steve? Now seventh sentence. This math problem is the dash of all. We are comparing math problem with all the problems of maths. So we are comparing more than two things or persons. So superlative degree will come. What will be that? This maths problem is the easiest of all. Now eighth, the rose is dash then daisy. We are comparing the two flowers. So what will come? Comparative degree. The rose is prettier than the daisy. Ninth sentence, your costume is the dash one I have seen. Means we are comparing only the costume with the other costumes also. So what will come? Your costume is the prettiest. Means superlative degree will come in this. Your costume is the prettiest one I have seen. Whose farm is large? Whose farm is dash, Mr. Johnson's or Mr. Brown's? So large is the adjective given to you. We are comparing two farms. So what will come? Comparative degree. So in answer will be whose farm is larger, Mr. Johnson's or Mr. Brown's. Now next, 11th sentence. These watermelons are the dash of all of the season. We are comparing all the watermelons. So what will come? Superlative degree of tasty. So these watermelons are the tastiest of the season. Now 12th sentence, the clown act was the dash funny of all acts in the circle. Means funny is the adjective given to you. So clown act is comparing with all the other acts in the circus. So superlative degree will come. So what will be the answer? The answer is the clown act was the funniest of all acts in the circus. Now students, I hope you all understood the exercise completely and clearly. If still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Please write your name, class, and if you have any query, just ask me. I am there to clear your doubts. Thank you.